Hey guys, I'm not sure who all needs to see this, but my 2018 Hyundai Elantra wasn't starting just now, and I changed the starter fuse, and I searched high and low on YouTube hoping I could fix it myself. But what it turned out to be, thank goodness, was just the shifter wasn't all the way into P. So all I did was I put the key in, turned it, put the brake on, shifted to drive, and shifted back to P, and then it cranked up. So give that a shot. If it's not the starter fuse, try this. If it's not that, I don't know, but this worked for me. So saved me a lot of stress. Hopefully it works for you too. Later.